The current generation Volvo XC90 received a complete redesign in 2014 and was updated with a facelift in 2019. If it followed the usual lifecycle sequence, a full redesign would be due by now. However, Volvo Cars appears to be prioritizing its electric vehicle lineup. We anticipate another facelift for the XC90, extending its lifecycle until the all-electric EX90 is ready to dominate the segment. Before we delve into details about the new XC90, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and have enabled notifications to keep getting more timely updates in the future. We expect the new Volvo XC90 to have all-round design changes, with definite changes to the soft parts. The transformation should lend it a more aggressive look with a slimmer upper grille, a larger, A-shaped lower air intake, a more muscular bumper, vertically stacked fog lights, and the most noticeable revision of all, new Thor's hammer headlights. New alloy wheels, a restyled rear bumper, and fresh color choices would also be among the exterior changes. On the inside, Volvo designers could look at new trim materials and offer new upholstery choices to freshen up the cabin. We expect the infotainment system to have updated software for speedier and easier operations. The company would offer YouTube and Prime apps for the infotainment system, allowing customers to stream videos when the vehicle is parked. We expect the YouTube app to be pre-installed and the Prime Video app could be available to download from Google Play. Volvo Cars should repurpose the XC90's powertrains with minor efficiency tweaks with the new model. In September 2021, the company had increased the power and torque of the Recharge plug-in hybrid variant. The T8 received an upgraded 2-liter gas engine and rear electric motor for improved performance and a bigger battery pack for an increased electric driving range. Customers would certainly value enhancements that boost electric driving range and decrease fuel consumption. We expect the refreshed Volvo XC90 to arrive in the US as a 2025 model next year, with prices starting at approximately $72,500 in the Recharge variant. The new XC90 plug-in hybrid will compete with the BMW X5, Mercedes GLE, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee. What are the changes that you anticipate in the upcoming Volvo XC90? Share your thoughts in the comments and catch us in our next video.